Have you ever wondered how to make learning more exciting, engaging, and interactive for your students? Today, we're diving into the world of gamification, a powerful tool that can transform your classroom into a hub of enthusiasm and creativity. Let's discover what gamification is all about and why it's a game changer for your teaching journey. So what exactly is gamification? It's not about turning your lessons into a big game. It's more about integrating game principles and elements into your teaching approach. Think of it as adding a sprinkle of excitement and challenge into your lessons. So why use gamification? Well, games naturally tap into our curiosity and sense of achievement, making learning more appealing. Through challenges, rewards, and a touch of healthy competition, you can keep students engaged on their learning journey. But it's not all about competition. Gamification fosters collaboration too. Team-based challenges and group activities create a supportive environment where students learn to work together, communicate effectively, and share in each other's successes. Gamification can turn simple activities into really memorable experiences. Whether it's a quest to solve maths problems, a story that unravels with each lesson, or a virtual leaderboard, you're creating this immersive environment that sticks with students long after the bell rings. Let's look at some real-life examples of how gamification can be embedded into your lessons. Escape rooms consist of a variety of puzzles that students need to solve to break out of a room. This usually requires an exciting mix of problem solving, team building, and critical thinking skills. And they provide a fresh and exciting way to introduce new topics or review concepts. You can use apps like Goose Chase to create digital scavenger hunts where students need to go and take photos, record videos, and research to find out about a specific topic. Another way of including gamification in your classroom is by using a point system and by assigning points for different tasks so that you can measure student progress throughout a course or throughout a lesson, which is also more engaging for the students. Likewise, a badge can be used in the form of a virtual or a real object that shows that you value the effort and time that it took to complete a task. Leaderboards are also a great way of creating competition in a class, as they'll want to see their name rising up the table. You can even create smaller leaderboards for different teams, dividing the students into smaller groups for better competition. Also, using levels and checkpoints can help learners feel like they're progressing through a game. This might make them want to see what happens next and keep their attention focused on their learning as a result. Students love playing quizzes on apps like Kahoot and Quizlet quizzes, Blooket. There's an endless list of quiz resources out there. These free platforms allow teachers to create multiple choice quizzes where students can answer on their own devices. Teachers can choose from the thousands of quizzes that are already available on these sites, or they can create their own for things like pre-assessments or exit surveys as well. If you're looking for other game-based learning apps, then check out these ones. Prodigy is a gamified English and maths app where students take on quests and battles to level up. Khan Academy Kids is another great gamified app where students can learn reading, writing, and maths. On Spelling Shed, students can play spelling games using words from assigned or chosen lists. Times Table Rockstars is a maths-based app with a rockstar theme where students can learn and practice their times tables. And finally, Classcraft is a clever game-based app designed to motivate students and monitor their behaviour. So there you have it. Gamification is not just a buzzword, it's a dynamic approach that can ignite a passion for learning in your students. And the best part, it's not even rocket science to implement. Start small, experiment, and watch as your classroom grows into a hub of excitement and discovery. Don't forget to like if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tips on making education a thrilling journey for your students. Until next time, happy teaching.